Hey there. Welcome back to day 3 of our English Easy Practice series on the English Expert podcast. I'm Alex, your personal English guide, and I'm so happy to be here with you again today. This video is made just for you, my beginner learner, to help you improve your English speaking skills. Since it's just you and me, I'm going to guide you step by step to make speaking English easier and more fun. Today's lesson is called Day 3, Shadowing English Speaking Practice for Beginners Learn English Conversation. We'll follow the same 4 parts as before: listening practice, vocabulary, listen and answer practice, and shadowing practice. Are you ready to keep learning and speaking English with me? Let's get started. Part 1, English Listening Practice. Let's start with some listening practice to train your ears for real-life English. I'm going to share a new short story with you, and I want you to listen carefully to understand the meaning. Here's the story. My name is Lisa, and I'm from Japan. I'm learning English because I want to work in a hotel. I arrived 3 days ago, and I'm living with a friend. Her name is Anna, and she lives in a small house near a lake. Our teacher, Miss Clara, is from Australia. She's very patient and helps us practice speaking every day. In the morning, I wake up at 7:30 a.m., drink tea, and get ready for class. After class, I go shopping with Anna. I like reading English stories because it helps me learn new words. That's the story. I'll ask you some questions about it later, so let's move on to the next part. Part 2, Learn Vocabulary. Now, let's learn some new word together, just you and me. I'll explain a few words from the story and use them in simple sentences to help you understand them better. First word, lake. It means a big area of water surrounded by land. For example, we walk near the lake every evening. Let's say it together. We walk near the lake every evening. Great! Next word, patient. It means someone who is calm and doesn't get upset easily. For example, my teacher is very patient. Repeat after me. My teacher is very patient. Nice. Third word, shopping. It means going to buy things like food or clothes. For example, I go shopping with my friend. Let's say it together. I go shopping with my friend. Good job. Last word, stories. It means books or tales you read for fun. For example, I read English stories at night. Repeat after me. I read English stories at night. Awesome. Let's move to part 3. Part 3, Listen and Answer Practice. Now, let's do some interactive practice together. I'll ask you questions about the story I shared, and I want you to answer them out loud. Don't worry if you're not sure. I'll give you the correct answers right after. This will help you practice listening and speaking. Let's start. First question, is Lisa from Japan? Yes, she is. She's from Japan. Where did Lisa come from? She came from Japan. Did Lisa arrive 3 days ago? Yes, she did. She arrived 3 days ago. Why does Lisa want to learn English? She wants to work in a hotel. Who is Anna? Anna is Lisa's friend. Where does Anna live? She lives in a small house near a lake. Is Anna's house big? No, it isn't. It's small. Is Miss Clara from Australia? Yes, she is. She from Australia. Is Miss Clara patient? Yes, she is. She's very patient. What time does Lisa wake up? She wakes up at 7:30 a.m. Does Lisa drink coffee in the morning? No, she doesn't. She drinks tea. Where does Lisa go after class? She goes shopping with Anna. Does Lisa like reading English stories? Yes, she does. She likes reading English stories. Great job answering. You're doing so well. Part 4, Shadowing Practice. Now, let's practice shadowing together. It's the best way to improve your speaking. Shadowing means you listen to me speak and repeat exactly what I say right after me trying to copy how I say it. This will help you speak more clearly and naturally. I'll say some simple sentences from the story, and you'll shadow me. If it's too fast, you can always replay this part. Let's start. My name is Lisa. Repeat after me. My name is Lisa. Good. I'm from Japan. Shadow me. I'm from Japan. Nice. I arrived 3 days ago. Repeat. I arrived 3 days ago. Let's do that one again, 3 times, to really practice. I arrived 3 days ago. Shadow me. I arrived 3 days ago. One more time. I arrived 3 days ago. Perfect. I live with my friend. Repeat. I live with my friend. Awesome. I wake up at 7:30 a.m. Shadow me. I wake up at 7:30 a.m. Good. I go shopping with Anna. Repeat. I go shopping with Anna. Great. I like reading English stories. Shadow me. I like reading English stories. You're doing amazing. Great job today. I'm so proud of you for practicing with me on day 3. Since it's just you and me, I want to remind you, you're making awesome progress, and I'm here for you every step of the way. The best way to keep improving is to watch this video many times. The more you repeat, the better you'll speak. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the English Easy Practice YouTube channel for more lessons to help you speak English with confidence. You can also visit my website, EnglishEasyPractice.com, for free downloads and more practice. If you love this lesson, please like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Bye for now.